Everyone, the Princelet Popper here again, showing you on my Craftsman 18 horsepower Intech engine a little something about the spark plug and flooding the engine. I have a choke on mine. This symbol right here is where you set it for the choke. Slide it all the way up right before you start the engine. But sometimes if you accidentally hit that button, that switch, when you're driving you can flood the engine. So you gotta take a look at the spark plug. I pulled mine out. It looks like this, so it obviously needs to be replaced. Or you can clean it. And what you do is you smell these threads right here. And if they smell like gasoline, which mine did, then you flooded the engine. You can either replace it, which is definitely what I needed to do, or clean it. In my case, I replaced it, and it should start right back up. Take care.